Let me ask you something. If someone knew your password right now, how long do you think it would take them to get into your account? 10 minutes? 1 minute? No. Maybe 5 seconds? Yes, just 5 seconds and they are inside your account. Your messages, your photos, your emails, and your private life all opened. And the scary part is that many people think their password is protecting them, whilst in actual fact, it's not enough anymore. So today I want to show you something very simple, something many people ignore, but it can protect your account from most attackers. And the funny thing is that it only takes 1 minute to set up. Let's imagine something very simple. Think of your house. Your password is like the key to your house. If someone steals the key, what happens? They open the door and walk inside. You and I, our password work the same way. If someone gets it, or steals it, or finds it from a data leak, they can just log in. They don't need to break anything. They don't need to hack like we see it in movies. They just log in normally. Many people also make another mistake. They use one password for everything. One password for emails, social media, bank apps, or even games. Now imagine this. One small website gets hacked. The password leaks. Now, the attackers try the same password everywhere else. And suddenly, they can enter all your accounts. Yes, it happens every day. Big companies have had massive data leaks before, like Facebook, Cambridge Analytica data scandal, where millions of people's data became exposed. So now, the question becomes, how do we protect ourselves? There is something called two-factor authentication. But don't worry, that big name simply means 2 locks instead of 1. Okay, now let me explain it like this. Now, imagine your house again. If it takes 2 gates for one to enter into the house, and the first gate has been opened, the person still needs the key to the second gate to open it before entering your house. Even if someone steals the first key, they still cannot enter because there is another lock waiting. That is exactly what two-factor authentication does. When you enter your password, the system will also ask for a special code, and that code changes every few seconds and it appears on an app on your phone. Apps like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So even if someone knows your password, they still cannot enter your account because they do not have your phone. But most people don't know this. Most popular apps already have this protection. You just need to turn it on. You should activate it on accounts like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, and the list keeps on. Once you activate it, every time someone tries to log in, they will need both things, your password and a secret code from your phone. Without that code, they are stuck. They cannot move further. Cybersecurity is not just about hackers being in a dark room typing fast on the keyboard. Real security is about small, smart habits. Simple things many people ignore. A strong password is good, but a strong password plus two-factor authentication, that is much stronger. It's like adding a security guard to your door. So today, I want you to do something very simple for me. Take your phone, go to your account settings, and turn on two-factor authentication. It might take 1 minute, but that 1 minute could protect your account for years. This is because in cybersecurity, small protection today can stop big problems in the near future. And if you want to learn simple ways to stay safe online, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment your thoughts, and share for a wider audience to also come to this very knowledge I am sharing with you. Because internet security should not be confusing, because it should be simple enough for everyone to understand. Don't jack it in my phone.